taught in the beginning to go ahead and just do it straight through. And I was stumbling over my words. I was tripping over myself. I was really uncomfortable and I was forgetting what I had to say. So don't do that. For the best video marketing training, consider subscribing to this channel where I upload videos twice a week. Hey Lady A, today's video is all about how to be good on camera. Sometimes when the camera comes up, we can be a little bit uncomfortable, but today I'm going to share with you my 3 personal tips on what I use to be comfortable on camera. With that said, let's go ahead and get started right now. Tip number 1, visualization. When it comes down to doing videos, you want to get someone that you idolize or who you are comfortable with speaking when you're doing your videos, like as if you're talking to one person. I mean, like actually get a physical picture that you want to use, that you're going to be using when you're talking, doing your videos. Is like as if you're talking to that one person. And for me personally, that one person is my sister. I have my phone here, and then every now and again as if I am speaking directly to my sister. So who exactly would be your person that you will use for your visualization? Would it be Kofi from Queen Sugar? Like, that's some really good eye candy. I'm gonna have to, bump my sister out of the way. But no, seriously, when it comes down to visualization, you want to get an actual picture of someone that you're comfortable with speaking with and use them and have that picture open and just glance over at it and just continue to keep going so you can be comfortable on camera. So be sure to go ahead and comment down below who's going to be your muse behind the scene, whether it be a friend, a sister, a brother, or an actress or an actor. Just go ahead and comment down below who's exactly going to be your muse. Tip number 2, break it up. Now, when it comes down to doing your videos, some people, I was taught in the beginning to go ahead and just do it straight through. And I was stumbling over my words. I was tripping over myself. I was really uncomfortable and I was forgetting what I had to say. So don't do that. No longer do that. I want you to break it up. Do each step or each transition in the video step by step. So take a minute to do your intro, to tell people what it's all about, and then cut, take a deep breath, get yourself together, and then hit record again and do the next portion. So break each step up, break it up by pieces, and then just go ahead and edit it and put it all together. But please break it up, because if you just do it all in one take, you're gonna find yourself very uncomfortable, very stressed out, and very much so lost for words. So break it up. Go ahead and like this video and just let me know that you're still with me, because at the very end I have a bonus. So to let me know that you're still here, go ahead and like the video. So with that being said, tip number 3 is to make eye contact, especially if you're going to be doing your videos in a selfie portrait and you're going to be able to see yourself. You want to make sure that you're making eye contact with the camera and not looking at yourself. It's like, who you're speaking to. Are you speaking to me? Are you speaking to yourself? So you want to make sure that you're making eye contact with the camera lens, so that way you are connecting with people and you just completely forget about yourself and keep, it's okay to kind of glance over to make sure you're still in position with the camera, still in focus, and just be staring at yourself and just checking yourself out. That's it. So make sure that you're making eye contact. Bonus tip, repetition. You want to make sure that you are continuing to do videos over and over and over again. The more videos that you keep putting out here on YouTube, the more videos that you keep uploading every week, and the more times that you sit in front of the camera, trust and believe, you will become comfortable. You will become good on camera. Glad that you stuck around to the end, because you was able to get your bonus tip, which is repetition. And also another awesome bonus that I have for you is, if you want to be a part of a free organization with like-minded women who are, sharing business tips that they have for their overall business, or just getting more YouTube tips outside of YouTube, then you want to make sure that you head over to my group for Women Entrepreneur Rise. That started by myself. I'm in that group. I'm always, communicating and answering any questions that people may have about YouTube or just about marketing in general. So with that said, you want to go ahead and click the link down below, or I might have it in the cards. I don't know exactly, but just be on the lookout for that for that link and just head on over there and join it for absolutely free. Click the link that I most definitely will have down below so you can join my emailing list, so that way you can get more tips like this video. Be sure to go ahead and give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It doesn't matter. Engagement is good engagement, and it just lets me know what you like and what you don't like. And be sure to go ahead and comment down below for any comments that you may have. And also don't forget to let me know who your favorite muse is going to be behind the scenes to make you comfortable on camera, because I really want to know. I'll be there in the comment section reading all the comments and commenting back. And also, if you find that this tip is going to be helpful to your other lady entrepreneurs, be sure to go ahead and share that over to them. And also don't forget to subscribe and have that bell notification on so you don't miss any more content just like this.